Greetings, everyone. Greetings. Welcome to another T.Gresh Realty tour. I am your real estate queen. This is Tamita Gresham. Right now, we are at 933 Poindexter Drive out in Charlotte. This is a beautiful home featuring 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. So come on, let me take you inside. Let me show you what this home is all about. All right, everyone, come on inside. As you can see, this is going to be the entrance to the foyer area. Over to your side, what you're going to see is that this is a great office space. So for those of you that work from home, it's very common right now. You do get the French doors. And as you can see, this is a customized home, you all. This is a high-end luxury build. We do have this closet right here in case you need to store books, you know, for your research or whatever it is that you're working on. That's a great space for that. And you can actually pan around the room and see exactly how you can situate your furniture in here. This is a nice, lovely space. If you walk around, you have plenty of room to host meetings, have a conversational area, things like that. Over in this way, we have a sliding door that separates this space from the half bath. As you can see, it's highly customized, you all. Look at the vanity, you know. And also over here, we're going to have another space. This is going to be for your linen closet area. Okay, so this is what you get with a high quality custom build out in Sedgefield. Coming along here, we're going to have another closet for more storage area, which is a great space to store linen and things of that nature. Okay, and of course your coat closet will be right here for anybody that you're entertaining for guests. Now over into the magic area, you all. Now who could say no to this, okay? You're gonna have this nice, lovely space. This is your living area, which does feature a fireplace, you all, especially for days like this. It's a little on the cold end today, and you know, let's just continue to take you on. So we're gonna visit this later outside, but let's get you over to this area right here, which is gonna be your butler's pantry. This is great if you have guests over, if you want to serve wine. You don't have to go far, just bring them right on over here, fix a drink, and sit back in the living room and relax, you all. Okay? And as you can see, everything has lighting, so it is very custom, very nice, nicely done here. Plenty of room for storage space, you all. As you can look at the cabinets, the cabinetry, very fine detail. They went with the gold packaging here. Everybody knows that gold is one of those pieces that people are starting to go with now in the high-end homes. Right here, you're going to see that you also have another way to cook your food, and this is built in right here. This is going to be a fancy microwave. I know you probably haven't seen a microwave that looks like this, but that's what that is. It's a microwave, you all. All right, and if you just pay attention to all of the lighting and the detail in here, you could tell that this builder took a lot of time with the detail, with the build here. This builder is Hestia Designs, you all. Hestia Designs, and I think they've done awesome, okay? And I just want you to look at all the space that you get here in the kitchen. Look at the gas range built-in stove. Over here, you get a nice size farmyard sink. You all, it's stainless steel. It's not going to get stained. You have an oversized countertop. Plenty of room for eating space here. And then if that's not enough, you also get this eating space over here, you all. Okay, and this overlooks the yard that flows into the back. This is about 1/3 of an acre lot worth of land, and it is fenced in back there. So you do get privacy from your neighbors. There are trees that separate in the back area there. And you actually have enough space if you wanted to build a little garden. You could do that. If you have children, if you have pets that want to play, you have plenty of space for that. So not bad, because we're in what's considered the south end part of Charlotte, right up the street from Uptown, you all. This is a steal, okay? All right, now let's take you outside. Now, voila, okay? This is not your regular screen door. These doors are pretty heavy. They lock really good, and it has good suction on them. So let's go ahead and step out here. As you can see, this patio was beautifully done. You do get recessed lighting all the way up to the rooftop. And as you can see, you have a fireplace outside. If you want to entertain, if it's a wintry day and you want to be outside, you can still be warm, you all. okay? And you have railing, but it's screened in, so it keeps the bugs out, okay? So this is a beautiful space, beautiful for entertaining, playing games, drinking, having fun, whatever your lifestyle allows you to do, you all. All right, now if that's not enough, you do get this second space over here. This is not covered, but you can actually have a barbecue, you all, if you want to set up a grill. This would be your deck, your upper level deck. Okay, there are steps that go all the way down that takes you to the yard. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and make sure we secure this lock. And let's take you upstairs, a tour. And as you can see, look at the shelving. Plenty of detail, even if you pay attention to the detail of the wall. They put a lot of effort into making this a nice custom build for the buyer. Oh, my apologies. We forgot to take you into the main level bathroom. This is going to be, it could be the primary's owner suite, if you will, because it actually overlooks the deck area. So if you wanted this bedroom, you would actually be walking right out onto the upper level deck. And this also takes you into the primary owner suite, okay? So to the left, you're gonna see the water closet with a window. Over to your right, you're gonna have your double vanity sinks with custom built shelving. And even the lighting has been customized along with the mirrors. If you look at the flooring, it's very nicely done. And then of course you get your standalone shower, 2 shower heads, plenty of spigots, plenty of space in there. And then you get your encasing if you want to set up your body wash, your shampoo with another window and another shower head on top with the recessed lighting. Over here is going to be your standalone tub, you all, for those of you who want to soak. Now we're going to go into your customary closet space, you all. It's already customized. All you have to do is bring in your belongings and start hanging them up and organizing. Plenty of storage for shoes. And you also get a mirror for all the ladies who love to look at yourselves in the mirror, myself included. You want to make sure everything is nicely put together. You can do that. And actually this closet, you all, is very neat because you actually get a window right here where you can see out, but they cannot see in, okay? So this is a great feature to this home. You can actually be in your closet, in your dressing room. You can see what's going on out there, but they cannot see you, all right? So just look at the lighting in here, and everything is beautifully done. All right, let's take you on upstairs, you all. And I know you probably are wondering, how much square footage is this? You all, just take a look at the ceiling for a second. This is the type of detail that makes this a high-end luxurious home, okay? Even the windows are oversized. They overflow with the natural sunlight. So these are the details you want to pay attention to, especially if you're going to be paying the money that you pay for high-end luxury. So back to the square footage, you all. This home is 5,774 square feet. I want to take you upstairs. You know, I like to count my steps. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to turn. Then it's 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. As soon as you arrive up the steps, you will enter your loft area, okay? So this is great for if it's a play area or entertaining, conversation area. This area actually has the featured barnyard doors, you all, that actually close up if you want to have privacy and in case you have another area where you like to entertain, another conversational piece. This is a lot of space, a lot of room for whatever your needs and desires are in this space, okay? So there is no reason why your entire family can't be in here and you don't even have to see one another. You can be up here peacefully watching TV. They can be downstairs having a conversation. You won't even hear what's going on. Now I'm going to take you all over to the right, okay? The right wing of the home. Over back here, you're going to see that there is a washer and dryer right over here, okay? And I don't know if I showed y'all downstairs, but there's also a washer and dryer. We're gonna go back and look at that. There's a washer and dryer right here. And my opinion, this is a stackable, okay? For the people that live on this side of the home. Coming into here, you're gonna get a private area where you can sit, think, look out the window, and also you have a whole private section back here for your own bedroom. And this is customary too because you actually get built-in shelving in this closet right here. As you can see, there's plenty of storage space in that closet. This home also has its own bathroom, so there are 6 bathrooms in this house altogether. If you look in there, you're going to see that this also has the shower tub combination, or the shower combination, my apologies. And the subway tile goes all the way up to the ceiling with the recessed lighting. Nice tile, nicely done, okay? And also you do get a ceiling fan, and each room does have a remote that comes with it where you can actually change the settings to the ceiling fan, change the settings to the lighting for 1, 3, or 6 hours, okay? So really neat. And then you also get your Honeywell heating right here where you can turn up your air conditioner or you can actually turn up your heat. So that's actually in the room. You don't even have to leave the room to change the temperature settings. Okay? Now this is a nice space if you have visitors and they want their own section of the home. They have access to do their laundry. Now let's go right across the way here. And as you walk across, you can easily see who's outside in the yard. This is going to be another space. This is a more conservative bedroom space, but it does have a closet, so this is considered a bedroom, okay? Customary shelving again. Now you could use this for whatever you want. If you want this to be your study or another office area, this will make a great office or study area as well. You know, some people, both people work from home, so you can have one downstairs and one upstairs. Let's go to the opposite side of the house, and let's go to the left here. Another bedroom, okay? And this bedroom does have a large amount of space with customary shelving, of course. All right? So let's take a look at the way this opens up. It slides, okay? You don't have to worry about your door opening and shutting. You can just slide it, and it's a very deep-seated closet. If you can look back there, you're going to see this closet has a lot of space back there. Okay? This bedroom also has its own full-size bathroom, okay? And this is going to be the standalone shower with the recessed lighting once more. Very beautifully done. And across the way here, you're going to get another bathroom with customary shelving. I think this is really cute how they did this. All right, and that bathroom is accessible from this bedroom right here, which also has its own shelving inside of its customary closet. Again, this bathroom has a different type of setup to it. So there's actually a pocket door that slides across. So you don't have to worry about the door opening and shutting because this pocket door slides. It's accessible from the bedroom, and it's also accessible from outside of the bedroom right here where you get a regular door. Okay, let's take you around the corner here. And this is going to be the last of the bedrooms. And this is going to be another suite, you all. So pay attention because this is a very spacious area. You get your oversized windows, plenty of natural lighting. Again, ceiling fans, recessed lighting. Of course, you get the customary closet space over here to your side. Over here, you're going to get another closet space for more storage. And this is going to walk right into one of the primary suites here for the bathroom. You get your double vanity sink. So, hey, you have so many options in this home, you all. Just take a look at this space and look how beautifully well maintained and highly decorated this space is. A very nice design by the builder, I must say. If you want to comment just look at the little intricate details here. If you'd like to comment on this video, tell me what you think about this high-end luxury customary home and the builder, the minute details they paid attention to. Let me know what you think. Do you believe that they put a lot of effort into what they've done here? Now, I know you all are waiting on a price, and I'm going to give that to you at the end of the video. So, what I want to point out is that on the side of the staircase, you do have lighting that's built in. So at night, if all the lights are out, you can still see as you're coming up and down the steps. And then you also get a nice customary light up above in the ceiling, which is beautifully done. Out of all the rooms, you all, I'm trying to figure out which one is my favorite. I love this space right here. I love the decor in here. I love the kitchen area, you all. But also, I think I forgot to show you this final bedroom back here. Oh, wait a minute. We didn't even get to show you. This is going to be the chef's area, you all. So for somebody that is busy working, you can have a chef. You also get this area right here. This is like a refrigerated wine cellar. Okay, and this is to store all of your dishes, anything that you may need to have your chef prepare for the guests as they may be catering for your business affairs or your family traditional holidays. So that's what this space is for, you all, and I think it's a really neat space. Okay, so now we're going to get into the laundry area. This is the area that I forgot to show you all. This is going to be a customized laundry area. As you can see, a full-size washer and dryer will go here, not a stackable. The stackable one goes upstairs. The full-size comes down here. You don't have to walk all the way upstairs to wash your clothes. You can be right on the same level, you all. And as you can see, you have plenty of space to do laundry, tuck away your laundry detergent and whatever you need. Plus, you get this nice utility sink area. And who could ever forget this mud area, you all? So as this right here is a barnyard door, you also get a mud area right here that comes off of the garage. Now let me show you what the garage looks like. As you know, it's double car, but this is not a typical garage. Take a look at the floor. You also get windows in here, okay? So you can actually see outside. You can see who's pulling up to your home. You can see who's going down the street. Let's turn on some lights. You have access to your outside yard space right here, you all. So you can come in back through there to your car. Let's make sure the light is set. Okay. And then in order two, we're going to have a storage space area. So if you have Christmas trees, if you celebrate the holidays, if you celebrate Easter and things like that, if you have any type of lawn care equipment, you can probably tuck it safely right there and not have to worry about it. Okay, so this is what your money would be buying you. Of course, you do get the garage door openers right there. All right, in the mud space, they do have built-in shelving right ahead, and you get these pull-out drawer spaces. Okay, so like say you have shoes. A lot of people don't want shoes all over the place. You can store your shoes in there. You can store whatever you need, umbrellas, all of that can go right in there. All right, you all, I think we have pretty much covered most of the home. So, last but not least, let me give you the price point on this home. This home is going for $2.75, okay? $2.75 is what this home will afford you right out here in the south end side of Charlotte. If you are interested to any more high-end luxury, high-end areas, please feel free to give me a call. That is 980-428-2333. This is T.Gresh Realty Tours, your real estate queen. Hit me up.